everyone.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to vlog for you. What is today?
Today we are going to do 3 or 4, I don't know, but let's count. First activity is our car. Who will take out my more stickers from the car, they win. And we'll count how much stickers in. That's number 1. And number 2, we are going to make the ship from Lego. And number 3, that's mother's job. And number 4, we're going to do painting.
Okay, so today is Saturday and we are going to do all this activity that Ranveer has decided. So I'm going to help him to take out the stickers from his car. Second, I'm going to help him to build the Lego. Third, it's my choice, whatever I want us to do together.
And sorry, I forgot. We're also going to do the money plants.
Oh yes.
Yeah, in the 5.
Yeah.
Five
So the
things.
fourth activity was, what was the fourth activity? Painting.
Yeah.
And the fifth activity is to clean our money plant.
Yeah.
So today is Saturday and this is our today whole day's activity.
Yeah.
No school for today, Ranveer, no online school, no work from home for daddy. But Anika has same doo-doo, burping, sleeping, diaper changing, bath activity. So we are gonna vlog that. I tried to vlog earlier today.
Yeah. And we got the 6th stuff. Today I'm going to show you, Anika, how to take care of a baby. Just in case if you have a baby and you don't know what to do with a baby, because then she or he will cry, wah, wah, like loud like this.
Okay, so the sixth activity is Ranveer is going to tell you how to take care of a newborn baby. So if you have a baby and you don't know how to take care of a girl baby or a boy baby, and if the baby cries, you don't know what to do, then Ranveer will tell you what to do. Okay, so
And the 7th thing I
Okay.
forgot about. The 7th stuff. After that, no more. 7th thing is we'll do a speech about the planets.
Okay, the seventh activity is speech about the planet. Who's gonna do that?
Who is going to do?
You.
First, we are going to do.
No, who is going to talk
First,
about
we are
it?
going to watch a video and who will say the word correctly, just like the video say, they win.
Okay. So,
And whoever made the winner, like someone got winner by 5 activities by winner or 2 activities by winner, but who got the biggest number and win then.
okay, so that is our seventh activity to learn about the planets.
Yes,
So,
7 activity will be also maths. Then let's get started.
let's get started.
Now here's our first activity. My car was charging just now, so I'm just taking out this of the electric cable. Actually, this is, do you know why I said electric cable? Because this is an electric car. So that's why it works. It's not a real car like a petrol. So now let's get started. Now let's see who can take out the most stickers.
Okay, I'm gonna come and join you.
Yeah.
But I got the stickers.
That tape I'm doing.
Ranveer has put so much of tape on his car.
Yeah.
Why did you put so much of tape on your car?
So that the stickers will stick on their right.
Then why you want to remove the stickers now?
Because I don't like to see from this.
Now you don't
automatic
like.
tape.
But last time I told you not to put sticker, you didn't listen to mama?
Yeah, last time because I wanted to eat.
Okay.
Because see how shiny is becoming kids.
Yeah.
I mean, people love kids.
What was that?
What? You didn't give it. Hold in your hand. Don't give it to someone else. Don't give it to someone else.
Someone else will
If you
do.
give it someone else, then we'll get a more sticker. Then they will win. So
Okay, so let's stop talking and let's get active and quickly remove
waste
the
of
card.
money on that stamp. I spent this from that.
Okay,
Waste
so
of
now
money
you know you wasted so much of money on the stickers
Yeah.
and now you're taking them off.
Yeah.
But
This
don't
was
remove
actually.
everything.
This one was actually in my birthday song.
Oh, this was in your birthday
Yeah.
gift?
Yeah.
So let's not remove everything, let's just remove few things on
No,
it.
not few things. Remove everything. This
Okay.
stickers was here from 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
But it's very difficult to take off completely. I don't want any scratches on your car.
No, they
Why
are
you have
not
Singapore
stickers can be there.
Okay.
Except, no, this one you don't take out. This one,
Okay.
that I show them is Singapore's car. We already take out the car stickers. Here is my stickers, all of it. And you can still see a lot of stickers, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But later we will take out because it's taking a lot of days.
Lot of time.
Days.
Yeah, but we took
Yeah.
off many stickers
See?
already.
See, you want to see under this car? Want to see? It's kind of dirty.
It's kind of dirty, so we are doing the half of the cleaning now, and later we will clean more.
Yeah. Let's throw this in a dustbin. Come on, I'll show you my room. Follow me everywhere. And here is my sister. Here is my father. He is holding the baby, feeding the milk. He got little bit homework as like me. And he feeds the baby. See, her name is Anika.
Yes.
Now here is my headphone. I always do my school from this headphone. And I'll show you the dustbin. Dustbin is over here. Here is the big. So here is our second activity. First was our car and second is here. We're going to do some painting. I'll bring the painting stuff. So here is my painting book and painting stuff inside this bag. Probably when I said in the first, when we start the video, I said the painting wasn't in the second leg. But because the Lego ride isn't, because the Lego is not here, right? We'll do Lego in the later. So now we are going to do any painting. Here is a glass of plate, water inside this. Here is that I did last time. This is a dog, this is a bear, this is a Chinese New Year person, this is a rabbit, Easter egg, and a girl and a friend boy, and this is Doryman, and this is a baby, and this is a cat. And today we're going to do painting on this. So now we're going to do a painting. So let's get started. Oh, hi guys. Now I'm going to have my lunch. Now I'm almost done. Take a look at this. His name is coronavirus, also COVID-19. I'm almost done doing this art, COVID-19 germ.
What are you eating?
I'm eating bindi and rice and bindis. What's this? Mutton. I'm almost done. This germ making. His name is COVID-19, also coronavirus. You have to see? Wait, I'll show you. Let us be in the end. Now here is my art. I've done it. And this is a coronavirus germ, also called COVID-19. And if you don't want to get inside your nose and mouth and eyes and tummy, so don't want to get inside that, so you have to stay at home. But if you want to go out, you have to wear a mask. Because if you don't wear a mask, then the government will say, give me $300. Then if you say don't have, then you will go jail. Some people think where corona start from. And corona is dangerous. Corona started at Wuhan, China. And corona looks like this. It is dangerous. Some people think it's not dangerous. They go out without mask. You have to wear a mask. Bye. So here I did my painting already, and coronavirus painting I did. Here it is. To protect yourself, you have to wear a mask if you go out, but if you stay at home, you have to still do sanitizer and soap and wash your hands. And here is the painting. You can see, right? See, here is the eyes, here is the eyes, here is nose, here is the spectacle to open some things. So here is my art. I draw this. See these dangerous eyes? Look like wicked, right? And here's the queen. I'm going to wash all my brushes. Come here and see how I wash. Now I'm going to do the third step. I'm putting this thing on my mouth so that you will hear clearly. Now let's get started. I'm going to clean my money plants, lot of dead leaves. So let's get started. Wait, okay, something like this. Why is every time? 1, 2, 3, 4. Dirty leaves, right? Last one for here. No, not. Okay. See how many dead leaves are here? And now I'm done. I'm going to water them tomorrow. Singapore is so hot, so I'm going to start the last test of Lego. First I'm going to shower, then I'm going to do the last stack. See you later. Now I already take bath. Now I will take some rest. I'm tired. Then I'm going to show you the video what I made. Start with S. Okay? Bye.
So guys, now it's evening time. You might have seen everything that Ranveer has vlogged so far. Now he is playing with Lego. He's making some ship. Okay. Do you want to tell what are you making?
Yeah.
So he's making some ship. Oh, he's almost done. It will take a lot of time. Oh,
No.
that's okay. I'll come there.
So here is my ship. This can carry some cars and goes. And it can lift it this much weight. I'm going to make some wall so that this car won't fall off, because if you don't make a wall, then it will fall. Wait, I'm going to show you how fast it goes. First, let me take out these cars, all this will get everywhere. Wait, and done. Let's bring to that other side. And in 3, 2, 1, starting. Go and fast.
बस करो.
See how fast it went?
बस.
See how fast it went, right? So this is the over. My baby is sleeping. So tomorrow we'll show the baby how to take care, okay? So this is end of the day. It's already night time. So press the subscribe button and press the bell. Bye.